Google pay-per-click training. These are my new tricks for 2019. We do a lot of pay-per-click around here, and as you can see from some of these screenshots, we do a lot of testing, and more testing. So we know what we're talking about. I'm going to show you 5 things you should do right now to grow and improve your pay-per-click campaigns. Before we continue, just take a quick second and subscribe to the channel to stay up on the latest in e-com news. Okay, number 1 on my list is mapping conversion actions. People in your audience are never at the exact same position or spot in your sales funnel, so they shouldn't be expected to be exposed to the same conversion goal. I see about 90% of the sellers try to cram everybody in the audience into 1 or 2 different bundles, like, hey, buy my product now, or hey, why did you leave your shopping cart abandoned? Map out a simple chart for your funnel, like awareness is a page visit and interest is an add to cart. Desire is a return cart visit and action is finally a purchase on your website. Notice that not all actions are money exchanges, and you need to respect the fact that people need nurturing. Craft a message that is relative to where their mindset is and show them the value in your product or service. This will help you build trust, which results in higher loyalty, repeat business, and on top of it, referrals, which are priceless. If you like these tutorials, then let me know by liking this video so more people get a chance to see it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up on the latest in e-com. Number 2 is segmenting retargeting lists by date range. Similar to that last message, not all retargeting customers should be treated the same way with respect to time on your website. An abandoned cart yesterday or within the last few days is far different from an abandoned cart from 60 or 70 days ago. Focus on messages and audiences that are based around this time differential. If you focus on the visitors that are more recent to your website, you'll have more success. This way you can craft your message in a more meaningful way and ultimately be able to cut out those underperforming segments. Item number 3 is to leverage audiences in your campaigns. Now, while audiences won't replace your keywords in pay-per-click campaigns, they certainly do go a long way to enhancing your keyword campaigns. This audience targeting can be used to boost your search campaign by adding a bid adjuster. A simple example of this would be if someone was both in our audience and searching for one of our keywords, we would be willing to increase our bid so that we were sure to win the auction. This is all done from the audience tab in our search campaign. If you have any other tips or tricks that you can recommend for boosting your PPC campaign, then leave a comment in the description below. Number 4 is to test automating a portion of our campaigns. Now, while we as online marketers keep getting these great, robust tools introduced to us, there's also that heightened ability for machine learning and its capabilities. Try testing some of your campaigns by using this improved automation, and ultimately it will free up time for you to actually pay attention to some of the other parts of your business that you've just been pushing off to the corner of your desk. You could test all sorts of things like dynamic keywords and match types, recommendations, dynamic ads with keyword insertion. You could automate your bid strategy or automate rule sets. And item number 5 on my list for Google pay-per-click training is to not use Google pay-per-click. Not at least necessarily just Google pay-per-click. There are so many other channels that you can use to achieve the same thing, and a lot of times at a much reduced cost per acquisition. So item number 5 is test a new channel. You can use channels like Yahoo Gemini or Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Taboola, Reddit, Outbrain, and Pinterest. All of these channels have self-serve platforms and are great to use, but there's one channel that I suggest trying over all the rest, and that is Quora. Quora already has a bigger user base than Pinterest at over 300 million users, and its ad platform is just over a year old. In ad tests, we were getting $25 CPAs on Google, and we were getting $1 CPAs on Quora for the exact same metrics. Quora also has great targeting options and features that mimic search and display in social media channels. It's very easy to use, and it has very robust conversion tracking and audience building. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. As always, I hope that you're really able to put this information to work for you. Also, don't forget to download a copy of my ebook on how I launch very successful products on Amazon. It is free and instant access. Just click on the link below. Be sure and subscribe to the channel to stay up on the latest in e-com, and be sure and like this video so that other people get a chance to see it. And now watch this video. Go ahead, watch this video. Near, 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 near.